guys, today I'm playing Teardown. And if you don't know Teardown from watching my other videos, you should watch my other videos on Teardown. I made, I think, like 10. But so in this episode of Teardown, or not episode, I won't call it an episode, I have to take that yacht, that thing over there, and they're not hooked to anything, but there is something hooked to something on there. So I'm gonna just concentrate them to the very start of the game so I can just grab them and go, because I don't know, it's easier that way. So we'll find a way up there. Slam a couple rounds of 12 gauge in there so I can just get through again. So I got this, and I'm just gonna go through, and then slam a couple rounds of 12 gauge yet again. That became basically my catchphrase at this point. Slam a couple rounds of 12 gauge in it. And so I can just do it. So I'm gonna need to get back on here. Going up here. So now that all those wires are eliminated from the party, we can now go over here to that bridge over there. And this time, I'm not going to break through that bridge with a boat. So I'm just gonna do that and not break through that. Open it up and then so wait, I just need to make sure it just touches the bow. I got stuck there. Open sesame seed oil. And ooh, up. And go through. And go straight through. Do this through. Scrape the bow. I don't know ship terms. So now I have to grab this. And there's another one back over here. What will I ever do about this? Alright, so made a mistake. A error in judgment. And so we're gonna grab this sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. There's another vehicle. Over. Yeah. Bad pipe. And it's over there. Fucking got it. My grandfather would always say in these situations, when half of his when a bunch of his when his boat completely just got destroyed, he would say, "Now, Sophia, my daughter, or granddaughter, that is not very cash money." And that is true. It is not very cash money. It's not near cash money. And open sesame seed. Oof. Fine line here. When my grandfather's ship would always end up like this, he would always say, "Now, Sophia, my daughter, or granddaughter, again, that is not very cash money." As it is not. I don't know why, that just felt really cool. So now, we go into his house. And as I always say, opening doors is for the weak. Sledgehammer. No, opening doors is for the weak. Sledgehammer, as I always say. And sledgehammer again. Now we've got everything in place for me to this timer's freaking me out. It's like but I think I'll be able to make it. It's just this timer really freaks me out a lot. But now I think I'm gonna be able to get up on the ship. Now got all these objectives. Only out of pure want and desire, I'm gonna make it at 1 second. Oh, I accidentally clicked it soon. I made it at 12 seconds. I don't know why I'm doing this, but peace.